Do you have tinnitus? Are you tired of the constant ringing and buzzing sounds? I suffered from tinnitus for years. I tried everything I could find to stop it. I mentioned it to my doctor and he said it is not really curable and something I will probably need to live with. I continued to search for solutions, but I didn't find a lot of success. However, this was back in the late 90s when online information was limited. Fast forward about 7 years and I found a product on the web that looked good. It guaranteed results or my money back, and it had positive testimonials from users. The testimonials were very impressive and it was clear that people were happy with the product. It also offered a money-back guarantee, so I just had to try it. It turned out to be the best thing I ever did. One thing that really attracted me was that I could do everything myself in the privacy of my home and I wouldn't need any doctors or medications or worse, surgery. The information in this course allowed me to stop my noise completely within about 6 months. I also have a friend I grew up with who has tinnitus, and he started using this program after I told him it had worked for me. He has also been following this system for about 6 months now and says his noise is about 80% less than it was. The person who wrote this course was a long-time tinnitus sufferer himself and spent years finding what works and what doesn't. If you want to stop the noise in your head, this is the way to do it. You really do not have to suffer with tinnitus. This course says you will begin to feel relief in less than 7 days, and I know this to be true because it happened to me. It also shows you how to eliminate your tinnitus completely within 30 to 60 days. You really can stop the noise and have peace and quiet in spite of what others tell you, but you have to take action. And as a side benefit of following this course, you will feel healthier after completing the program because it will teach you things that improve your health, which most of us don't even know about. So stop suffering with tinnitus and take action by clicking the link below the video you are watching, which for a limited time will give you a 50% discount off the regular price. Good luck to you, and I hope you find the same success that my friend and I found with this program.